Hi everyone, today's video is going to be all about Dior. Dior launched their cruise collection just last month, and even though it's a beautiful collection, I didn't really see anything for myself. That was of course until a few weeks later they added a new selection of items, and the color palette for those items was white and gold. I was obsessed. I immediately texted my SA and told him I'm coming over. And let me tell you guys that everything looked even better in real life. So of course I filmed a little shopping vlog, but unfortunately my camera couldn't really capture the true nature of the colors, but it's still better than online. So I hope you'll be able to see the Greek goddess vibes that this collection is giving. I literally wanted to buy everything that I saw and tried on because everything was just so beautiful. I even considered the book tote, which is a bag that I had never considered before because even though it's a beautiful bag, it goes against everything that I'm looking for in a tote bag. So that's how beautiful this collection is. As you can see, I did pick up a couple of items and I'm actually thinking about picking up one more, but before I say too much, let's get to the vlog part of the video. unboxing part of the video. I have something that I picked up from the boutique, and I also have something that I managed to score online. But before I open these, can we just take a moment to appreciate the stunning packaging? I mean, Dior has beautiful holiday packaging every single year, but this year, in my opinion, they have really outdone themselves. Like, this is something that you could frame and put up on the wall. So now let's really start, and let's start with the item that I picked up from the boutique. Okay, so here is what the bag looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. The gold is just stunning. And actually in this bag there was also my new Dior candle. I love Dior candles, and this one is called Feve Deliciose. My pronunciation, please don't judge me, but this one is my new favorite because it smells incredible. It smells like maybe hot cocoa or chocolate, but like the nice, fancy, expensive one. I think that this would also make a great Christmas gift if you're looking for something under 100 euros. I would personally love something like this as a Christmas gift because I hate spending so much money on candles. So if I found this under the Christmas tree, I would really love it. Plus you get all the beautiful Dior Christmas packaging. Okay, and now finally the unboxing. So we have the classic white Dior box and the classic white Dior ribbon. This item unfortunately didn't come in a box with the seasonal Christmas print, unlike my online orders, but I don't mind that. We have 2 dust bags, so you know what that means. Okay guys, are you ready for the reveal? It is the Dior Dway slides. I know that some of you may be thinking that this is yet another unboxing of another pair of Dway slides, but to me this is very special because I have been trying to get this colorway in the Dway slides for 2 years. Okay, let's do a little close-up so that you can appreciate the beauty of this stunning slide. It's just gorgeous. Every year they would do like a different version of the gold Dway slides. Sometimes there would be more gold, sometimes less. Sometimes they would change the insole. Like I remember that there was one season when the insole was striped, but they always sold out so quickly and I never managed to get them in my size. So I am really happy to have these. I never really cared about what the insole looks like because it's not like I can see it when I wear them, you know, but I have to admit that this one is very beautiful. I think there's some information online about this. So this style features Pietro Ruffos, gold tone Dior around the world Stella motif, and combines 2 key codes of the house, the star and the toile de jour. The upper is embroidered with gold tone metallic thread and a Christian Dior signature that instantly stands out. I mean, it's just the most beautiful pair of slides. And as regards to size, I went with my usual size, which is size 40. I am always a size 40 at Dior. As regards to comfort, I'll only be able to report back in the summer. Okay, and now let's move on to the second unboxing. And we have 2 boxes because this is a set. One of the boxes had a star, the other one didn't. I have no clue why. These boxes came with the seasonal holiday print and they're absolutely stunning. I will definitely use them either for storage or just home decor. Okay, so this is something that I had actually also been trying to get a hold of for 2 years. And now that both of the boxes are open, let me show you the top part. Here we go. It is the Dior blue oblique print bikini. So here we have the top part, and in the other box I have the bottom part. And it also comes with a pouch. And on the pouch you can also see that it's not just the blue oblique print, but it also has this black or maybe even navy blue little bee embroidered on the front. And it also has the CD Christian Dior initials as well. I mean, I just love it. I think that it's so beautiful. And I can already see myself in the summer with my Celine tote, Dior oblique bikini, and a crisp white shirt. I want to talk a little bit about the material of this bikini because it's much different from my other luxury designer bikinis. It almost feels like silk. It's so smooth and luxurious. And usually with swimwear, there's that like thick matte feeling, and this one is the exact opposite. It's also thinner than my other bikinis, but not to the level that it's transparent or paper thin. It's just a little bit thinner than the other ones. As regards to the size, I got size large for both parts. I think that the sizing is pretty standard, and I also like the fact that both parts are sold separately. So for example, if you're more petite and have a larger chest, then you can get a bigger size for top and a smaller size for the bottom. Okay guys, so that's it for my video today. I am very excited for the summer right now, and as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do love talking about fashion. So let's stay in touch and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe.